Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a VR as well as a challenge entry to Double Click Connects challenge. The VR is for Lani's Crafts. She's celebrating her 53rd birthday. Happy birthday, Lani. And I hope you get as many subscribers as you want on this challenge. And I'm just going to help out and do this VR. Hopefully some of my people will head over to your channel and enter this challenge as well. But happy birthday to you. All right, let's jump in. So this week I am using my creative time especially for you, and I love this stamp set. This is one of my favorites. It absolutely is. Anyways, I'm using it especially for you, and it's your day. Let's celebrate, as well as this die. And then I had some dies in my stash, and these were already cut out. I had to go searching for the dies. I used this die, as well as this die. I used my creative time again, and I don't know the name of this, but I think this is still in her shop right now, and it's on retirement. So if you want this, you're gonna have to go get it. And as of today, and if I post today, which is the 10th, which is my creative time's birthday today, she's having a 20% off sale today, so you can get an extra additional 20% off this if I post it today. You can post it, you can go over there and grab this stamp and die set and get that extra 20% off. But I love these roses. That's what I'm using. And then I also use for my toppers. This is probably my favorite topper. And this is for my favorite things. I'm sorry, it is retired, so you'll have a time trying to find it. But that's what I use. All right, let me show you these. Here goes the card that I use. That I made, I mean. It's called It's Your Day, Let's Celebrate. At least that's the stamp set I used. There goes that die. And I just covered up that side right there with a little leaf. And I covered up the flowers. It's supposed to be pink, but it's kind of showing as if it's a little red, but it is pink. I did use pink. And then there goes the other dies that I use. And then I did already fill this out. That's for Lani. So she will be able to see what I wrote in there when she gets it. But love how this turned out. I love that green. I did add a little bit of sparkle on there. You can see that on the flower and on this leaf up here. And then I wanted to make coordinating toppers. And these are what I'm sending to her. She requested some background cover plates. Since I have quite a bit, I thought I would share some. I did them all in white so she can color up whatever color she wants to add to the background dies. And I hope she likes all of the ones that I sent. Some of these are definitely my favorite. So they're all in there for you, Lani. You can go through them and show them to the people when you get them. But let me show you that topper a little bit more up close. I did add some sparkle on the flower and the leaves, and I used that especially for you. Added some green and black diamond dots on there, and love how that turned out. All right, so make sure you join in on the ladies' challenges for this month. I think Lani's Crafts, she might go to July, I think is when her challenge is over. For Double Click Connect, this month's challenge was flowers, so make sure you join in on her challenge as well. Have the links down below. Make sure you check those out, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Happy birthday, Lani.